Looking for quick and easy keto meals to make in your air fryer? The beauty of keto meals lies in their low-carb, high-fat diet, promoting better health. And with the convenience of an air fryer, healthy eating just got easier. Stay tuned as we dive into the top 5 keto meals you can easily whip up in your air fryer. First on our list is the delicious air fryer keto chicken thighs. This dish combines chicken thighs, herbs, and spices, cooked to perfection in just 30 minutes. Chicken is a fantastic source of protein, making this a healthy, keto-friendly choice. This meal is not just healthy and keto-friendly, but it's also bursting with flavor. Next up, we have the Air Fryer Keto Shrimp Scampi. Combining succulent shrimp, garlic, and a hint of lemon, this meal is a low-carb, high-protein delight. Ready in just 20 minutes, it's perfect for a speedy supper. With this meal, you're in for a quick, delicious, and nutritious treat. Moving on to number 3, we have the Air Fryer Keto Brussels Sprouts. A simple recipe, just toss the sprouts in olive oil, season, and let the air fryer do its magic. Brussels sprouts are high in fiber, keeping your digestion smooth. This meal is a sure way to enjoy your greens while staying on track with your keto diet. Fourth on our list is the Air Fryer Keto Salmon Fillets. This delightful dish takes a mere 20 minutes to prepare and is packed with flavor. The salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, is a powerhouse of nutrition. With this meal, you're not just satisfying your taste buds, but also giving your body the nutrients it needs. Last but not least, we have the Air Fryer Keto Avocado Fries. A simple blend of ripe avocados, almond flour, and spices, air-fried to perfection in under 15 minutes. Brimming with healthy fats, these fries are a tasty and nutritious way to satisfy your snack cravings. So there you have it. We've walked through 5 fabulous keto meals: Air Fryer Keto Chicken Thighs, Shrimp Scampi, Brussels Sprouts, Salmon Fillets, and last but not least, avocado fries. Whip up these quick and easy keto meals in your air fryer and enjoy a healthy, delicious diet. Thanks for watching. Before we end this video, we want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments which of these air fryer keto recipes you're most excited to try, or if you have any other delicious keto-friendly air fryer recipes to share with the community. And if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you'll be the first to know when we post new videos. For more mouth-watering recipes, check out the link in our description box. We're always here to inspire your culinary journey. Thanks again for watching.